In this video, I am going to share all about raspberries, which is called as himbeerys in German. Let's dive into the topic. Watch till end to know how to maximize the harvest and how to minimize the pest attack of himbeerry plant. Early spring is the best time to do the pruning. In my experience, each cane will last for 2 years. We can easily identify the live cane. See here, for this cane we can see the live bird is coming up. So like this way we can identify the live canes and we can leave the live canes and remove the dead canes which are turned pale brown color. If we plug the dead canes, it will come very easily. This is one more example for dead canes. Pruning always helps to encourage the new growth. Raspberry plant expand through runners. We always need to remove the runners with the roots from the mother plant. If we don't remove the runners, then it will take all the energy from the mother plant and you will get less fruits. After pruning, I am removing all the weeds surrounding the himbeerry bush and making the soil fluffy. Now I sprinkled a little Epsom salt at the root area. I used to give the Epsom salt only once in a year. Now I am adding sheep manure at the root area and also mixing the manure with the soil. Every 4 weeks once I feed my himbeerry plant with manures. So now I gave sheep manure. After 4 weeks I will give horse manure. I use only these two manures to the himbeerry plant. Like this way I feed my plant till the fall season. After that the plant will go to dormitory stage. From that time I stop feeding the plant. Little away from the root I am making a big hole to dump all my kitchen scrap. This is a old and traditional method of making compost. So in this way plant will get energy whenever the plant needed. See what I found here. I will show you now. There is a big earthworm. So I am leaving it there. Once in a while, I feed my himbeerry plant with homemade liquid organic fertilizers. I will share the link here. You can check there how to make organic liquid fertilizers. After adding the kitchen scraps, mix the kitchen scraps with the soil. This will help to speed up the composting process. And one more thing we need to take care is we need to press the soil down, remove excess of air from that area. This process also will help to speed up the composting process. After 1.5 months, we can see here how himberry plant is flourishing with flowers and fruits. It is loaded with lots and lots of himberries. These raspberries are taste like amazing. We always get lots and lots of raspberry harvest, and our kids love to have them, and we all enjoy the berry harvest here. See you again in my next video. Until, take care, bye bye. If you have any question, you can always write a message to me. I will definitely answer to your question.